Hi Lisa, I really like how your paper included a lot of insights and information about user experience design, learning experience design, and instructional design. You can see to the right I inserted a few comments to help strengthen parts of your paper. You will see here there is a link to the APA citation site that will show you exactly how to change the information at the top of your page into a title page. I also notice that you need to add the date to these in-text citations here. Just like that, since you already have the author, you can just add in the date after that. You can also click here to see some more examples of that. Finally, I will show you how to format the resources page on your paper. So you're going to want to make sure that all of these titles are italicized. So to do that, you just highlight it, the title, just like that, and then press this slanted I button at the top, and that will make it italicized. You're also going to want to put this into a hanging indent. So to do that, you select all of the sources, you right-click, go to Paragraph, and then select Special Hanging. Just like that. And you will see that it moves the second line over under each citation. Now you'll also want to make sure these links are live here, just like that, where if you hover over it, it'll do Control click to follow link. If they're not live, you can always highlight it, copy hyperlink, and then just go to the hyperlink button here, paste it back in, and select OK. And that should get you all set on your resources page, and I hope this information and feedback is helpful to you. Thank you!